Hello and welcome back to Start to Finish TV. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to convert your 16:9 horizontal video into 9:16 vertical video. It's a pretty straightforward process, but there's a couple of things you want to keep in mind before you start recording. So you might notice that this frame is quite far away. The reason that we've done this is because if we was in the normal position, if we were close to the camera where you would normally be for a talking head shot like this, when we change the canvas size in our editing software, we would be too close to the subject. There'd be not enough room for the subject's head. So the reason why we've left so much space is so that when we change the canvas size, we are a reasonable size within the frame. It's very simple to do. If your footage is 4K, 3840 by 2160, when you create your sequence, you would create a 1215 by 2160 canvas. And if your footage was 1080p, your sequence would be 608 by 1080. The reason that we don't just flip the values of the original canvas size, so the reason we don't do it 2160 by 3840 or 1080 by 1920 is because that is increasing the size of the canvas. It's larger than what you would have originally shot. So the reason we do that is we keep the height of the video the same, so we're just cropping the sides. So then all you have to do is bring your footage into your thing, and then that's it. You just edit your video as normal. So just to clarify, this canvas size for 1080p is 608 by 1080, and for 4K it's 1215 by 2160. So if you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave a like on it. If you want to see more content from me, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time we publish a new video. So yes, I've been Ben with Start to Finish TV, and I'll see you in the next video.